Hello and good afternoon and welcome back to the Excel spreadsheet of capital structure. I'm going to finish up the book value and market value ratios of debt. I'm going to calculate the weighted average cost of capital, the cash flow, the market value of firm. And then I'll read the notes at the bottom of the sheet and then go on and calculate the figures that are required in the weighted average cost of capital sheet, which is the next one. Okay, so the next function table needs to calculate is called book value debt ratio. Market value debt ratio is the next function table. Weighted average cost of capital is the next function table. So that's the long function table, how to get the correct answer for the weighted average cost of capital in this Exhibit 1 sheet for capital structure. Okay, now move on, let's calculate the free cash flow. Okay, market value of the firm is the next one. Okay, now let's see what the note has combined in this entire sheet. The number of shares and price per share are computed from the following considerations. Assume the change from 0% debt to any amount of debt is accomplished by repurchasing the shares with the borrowed funds. Then the price per share times the number of shares repurchased must equal the amount borrowed. Also, the price per share times the number of shares remaining must equal the market value of equity. Together, these imply that the price per share 5,000 must equal the market value of the firm. This fact is used to compute the price per share, and then the number of shares is found by dividing the market value of equity by the price per share, which I already did from the previous video at the very start. Okay, the weighted average cost of capital sheet, let's go into that. I have to calculate financials for the data remained from the previous sheet from Exhibit 1. So let's do market value debt ratio. Alright, problem fixed. Now cost of debt is the next one. Okay, now cost of equity is the next one. Now tax rate is the next one. Okay, let's calculate the weights and weighted costs. So let's start with after tax cost of debt. And then you multiply those two sum answers together. That'll be the weighted cost answer for a yacht. Pretty similar saying to the cost of equity. And last but not least, the actual weighted average cost of capital sum answer. Here's how to solve that calculation. It's simply D13 plus D14, so plus the two weighted costs answers. And that's the actual answer for the weighted average cost of capital. And that's the WACC calculation finished. So that was short. So that is it for today. Hope you all enjoyed that so far. Thank you all for watching this, and I hope you all enjoy learning the steps of doing financial sum tables in this capital structure spreadsheet. So hope you all have a good pleasant afternoon. Wash your hands, stay safe, and I'll see you all very soon. So have a great day. Adios.